Welcome to MarineMax. My name's Larry Vogt, and today we're going to go over this 2021 210 Cruiser from Harris Pontoons. They make a fantastic pontoon boat, been building them for almost 60 years, and we're going to take a look at the walk-through interior and how much space you can get in a 21-foot boat, and the conveniences all the way throughout. Cup holders with charging ports at every seat location throughout the boat, which is really unique. This boat's got a ski tow bar. The Mercury 115 command thrust makes it extremely efficient, easily pull a tube. And at the helm, we've got some great comfortable seating. I'm a pretty big guy, I've got plenty of room. We've got tilt steering, nice Fusion stereo with a 4-speaker system throughout the boat. Got all my controls are right here at the helm, easy to see. My speed, my engine data, nice switching here. Great coverage with this bimini top, and of course all Harris pontoons come standard with a full boat cover to keep the interior protected and looking like new. Come see us at MarineMax and set up a sea trial on this Harris.